So right at the end there, we have Duke. I think it's Duke. No, it's Oliver. I got some scraps of ribs from my local butcher, and as you can see, we got a very happy cub. Yes, we have. And he's going down to see if there's any more. Yep, got it. Now, where are you going with that? Oh, don't know where he's gone. But yeah, he was very happy with his little find. He's not running away so much. On another note though, it's confirmed that Duke has got mange. He's got the very early stages of it. And the medicine's on its way. Two very happy cubs, or two happy foxes. Don't like that mark on her back, his back. And keep an eye on that. Right, let's go and give him some chicken. What's the matter? What's the matter, Atticus? Okay, I'll get some chicken, shall I? Okay. Oh, what are you doing, you silly fox? You're in the fenced off garden. Now what are you going to do? Right. Have you worked out the chicken's on the outside? Yeah, well done. Yep, that's Oliver. Right, here's Skittles. Well, there was Skittles. It's been about 5 days since you had a mange treatment. Just keep an eye on her.